Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am so excited. If you've seen from the title, you already know this is a Petunia Pickle bottom haul. I am so excited. This is quite a big haul. I did get the Nightmare Before Christmas stuff, and I got a couple of other things that I've been eyeballing. I haven't done a big Petunia Pickle bottom haul in a long time, but here it is. I do want to mention though, guys, this video is not sponsored, and they did not send these specific bags to me. I purchased these with my own money. I am a brand ambassador for Petunia Pickle Bottom, so they do occasionally send me bags to basically do content on. They actually don't even require me to do it on YouTube. I just like doing it on YouTube. But yeah, I really wanted these things, so I picked up a couple of things, and I'm so excited to show you. Let me quickly show you how big this box is. I mean, I can't even really pick it up. I haven't even looked inside, but it's huge. I'm so excited. Also, guys, if there's any like reviews you want to see of any of these bags, I didn't buy any new silhouettes. So all these bags, I do have some kind of video on it on my channel. This will be part of the playlist, but I will link the playlist of the Petunia Pickle Bottom bags down below. Again, I am a brand ambassador and an affiliate link. I do have an affiliate link, so it will be down below if you are interested. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to ask. I'm so freaking excited. All right, let's go ahead and open this bag. Okay. Okay, if you guys been here for a while, you guys know I absolutely love the Mink backpack. And then I do have the, oh wait, it's not even there. Oh, up there. I do have the Lion King in the Mink print, but I saw this one and I like the color. I'm not really a brown person, but it is like a taupey brown gray. So I was kind of obsessed with it, and I love the way it looks, so I picked it up. It's so pretty. So this is the shade, the color Mink. I really, really wanted this for such a long time. As soon as it came out, I was like, that bag, I don't know, it just kind of calls me. Again, I do have a video on this backpack. This is just a different color for me. I'm so excited to have this in my life. I'm gonna let you just chill right there in the back. All right. Okay, and then to go with that one, I just need to open it. I also picked up, this is literally right outside the box, guys. I literally got the sling bag. You guys know I absolutely love their slings. And I did need to get some neutrals since I have so many of their Disney prints. So I got the Mink sling. It's so freaking pretty. I don't even know what the inside looks like. Oh, it has this print that the other thing I had also came in, but I'm so excited to have this shade. I feel like my husband in person is really gonna love this color. It doesn't show true to color, I feel like, in any picture. In some pictures it looks more brown, in some pictures it looks more gray. It is literally like a true taupe color. It's so pretty. I'll put that back there too. And if you saw my last video, I did show you guys that I got the Botsy that was gifted to me from them, and I did have also the Viva, and I also had the stroller caddy, which I absolutely love. If you don't know, my favorite color is black, so yeah. So I had to pick up, I do have the Twilight bag, sling bag, and I had to pick up the Ebony as well. I'm gonna take all these out, guys. But I'm so excited to have another black bag. This one does have silver hardware versus the Twilight is a softer texture, and it's also gold hardware. But okay, so those are like the regular stuff that I got. Now for the limited edition Nightmare Before Christmas, if you saw my video last year, I did do a video on that as well, on the Nightmare Before Christmas launch. And this year they came out with different silhouettes. I did sell my Meta so that I can get the Method, which is my favorite bag from them. You guys know this. Take all this off and show you guys close-ups on the screen. I'm so excited. Are you guys kidding me? Oh my god. This is Halloween. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Look at it. It's so freaking beautiful. I'm so happy to have this in my hands. Again, Method is my favorite bag that they have. Okay. Along with that, last year they didn't come out with the cooler pixel. You guys know I do love my cooler pixels. So I got this guy. It is the bigger, cooler pixel. Cute little logo right there. And last but not least, guys, they did the best decision they could have ever made. I love their minis. They're actually up there on the, you guys can tell, but I love their minis. I have actually, oh, what? Yeah, I have three right. No, I have three out, but I do have doubles of two of them just for later. Yeah. So I actually got the mini that came out. Also, you have no idea how exciting it is that it actually comes with a keychain. But I'm so happy. Are you kidding me? There's a freaking mini. If they come out with any more minis now, I'm literally, these are the two that I'm definitely going to be buying. I'm going to be buying slings and minis everywhere. I do have a sling from this print from last year. So yeah, I'm so excited. Isn't it so pretty? All right, guys, that is all I got from Petunia Pickle Bottom. I really hope you guys enjoyed this really quick haul. I'm so excited for everything I got. I can't wait to just take everything apart right now. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any questions or want to see the Petunia Pickle Bottom playlist that I have, it will be linked down below. Again, I am an affiliate, so I do have affiliate links down below as well. Again, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Leave this emoji if you're still here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.